Hello once again, guys. So this is the last part. Now this is a second rhythm. All right, this is a second rhythm. After doing all right, after doing we are there. I want you now to start from fret number what? I've even forgotten the frets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now I want you to play it from the way you just hivyo tu venye uko, the way you are. Fret number 16, 17. Okay, fret number 15, 17. Fret number 14, 16. Are you seeing the way I'm changing it? So, and then fret number 12, 14. Have you seen? So, that is fret number 12, 14. Fret number 11, 12, close it. That is fret number 11, 12. Fret number 9, 11. Oh, sorry. Yeah, sorry for that. Fret number 9, 10. Fret number 9, 10, close it. Okay, so fret number 11, 12, close. Fret number 11, 12, close. Fret number 9, 10, close. Now fret number 7, 9, open. Fret number 5, 7, open. Fret number 4, 5, close. Try to go back the way you came. Are we together? So this is what you are doing. All right. So after doing I'll repeat. Have you understood? One more time. So, if you don't want to go all that way, this is the shortcut. Play, and then on fret 7, 9, get to fret 7, 9, and then instead of going these notes, just get to fret 7, 9, and then after going to getting to fret 7, 9, I want you to play fret 9, 10. Shape 3, fret number 7, 9, shape 3. That way. Bye bye, guys.